Omelets. Cheese omelets are going to be, of course, needing cheese. We're also doing some Western omelets, so we have some shallots, onions, peppers, and some chopped ham. Bacon, plenty of bacon. Men's breakfast wouldn't be without plenty of bacon. Seems like no matter how much I buy, there's only one piece left, like a good Christian organization should. No one likes to take the last piece. We're going to have some hand-ground potatoes, which we're going to use some of the peppers and onions for, and mix those up. We got some fresh melon. We're going to have some grits. We just absolutely love our grits. Even up here in the Northeast. Imagine that, okay? Grits-loving nation down up here in the Northeast. And we're also going to do some toasted corn muffins. Now, yeah, you look at a lot of this prepackaged stuff. Well, I only have 2 hours. I have no advanced prep time. Like I said, it's 5:45 in the mornings. We usually get started cooking at 6, and breakfast is served at 8 a.m. So, although I can't do a 2-hour video on everything we do here, I will show you pieces of it as much as we can. I will have some help doing some chopping and mixing and cooking. So hang in there. This should be an interesting ride. Okay, this is the beginning of the hash browns. We're starting up some peppers and onions here, and as soon as these get done, we'll add some potatoes to it. Okay, potatoes added, and that just needs to cook for a few minutes, and we should be fine. Okay, we do bacon in a pan, and a disposable pan if we can. We just lay it out, throw it in the oven, flip it over once, and voila. Less cleanup, pans get thrown out, and we end up with nice crispy bacon. You'll see as it comes along here. Bacon's going in the oven. Okay, what we got going here is Western omelet ingredients. Shallots, peppers, and ham. And that, to me, looks good enough to eat right there. But let's let that cook for a few minutes. These are the hash browns, doing well. Okay, here we are doing some, getting our eggs ready for the omelets. And my buddy here has gotten the one-hand process down well. Do enough of those in my Navy days, we were able to do 4 at a time, 2 in each hand, but I'm kind of out of practice.
Yeah.
Okay, in the eggs here we have about 4 dozen eggs and a pint of sour cream. And we're going to mix that right up. And that'll give us our creamy mixture for the omelet. Oh, okay. This is my secret to toasting corn muffins. We melt a pound of butter in the pan, place the corn muffins in, and let the soaking begin. What good is a corn muffin if it's not soaked in butter? Then we'll just pop these in the oven until they get nice and toasty. Okay, there's bacon coming out of the oven. Looks good enough to eat. Did anybody test this?
No.
That's a shame. Somebody has to, okay?
Yes.
Let's just... Now that's bacon. Okay, we're going to start some omelets here. Into each omelet we're going to throw some onion peppers and mix. And then, inside that's going to go a ladle of egg mixture. That's her. This is...
Really, I mean, like...
We're rolling.
Yes. Looking good.
They're in the oven.
Okay. So...
I saw about the Friday. That I didn't know we have an engagement. You call me.
No. No, I thought we said last week.
Yeah.
Next Friday. But
today we...
let's, too bad we don't have smell-o-vision. These are the muffins. Let me see the bottom of one of those muffins. Is it nice and toasty?
It's got a
There
nice...
you go. Nice and golden brown.
Oh,
Nice job.
If that happens, we won't eat it off plate.
There we go. Excellent.
It's just like this one way, man.
Okay. We got my buddy here just stirring up those grits.
Should I cut it?
Looking good. Looks like they're ready.
Absolutely. Low the heat.
And half again lengthwise.
So we got cheese omelets, Western omelets. We got some bacon. We got hash brown potatoes. We got corn muffins toasted and grits.
Hey, Vinny, I didn't find the salt. No, it's even worse than ours.
Down there, just outside the Grand Central.
Okay.
That's that great decoration. Yeah. Took your train down.
Yes, that's nice.
Well, friends, there you have it.